video, I am going to introduce the narrative composition to you, so stick around. Welcome, my name is Nyarai from Sape Academy. So I'm going to teach you all about the narrative composition, but in this video, I'm simply going to define the narrative composition for you. So I'm just going to write the topic for you on my whiteboard. So the narrative composition. So what is the narrative composition? The definition is a composition that tells a story, whether real or imagined. So when I'm saying real, it means this is a story that you could have experienced, like a real life story, right? Or it could be one that's in your head that you could just imagine, all right? So let me just write the definition for you. So definition. A composition that tells a story, real or imagined. Okay, so storytelling has always been part of our lives. It's in the African culture, we tell stories. In every culture, in any culture, storytelling is part of our lives. So we tell stories, like for example, in our own African cultures, we'd sit down and our grandma would tell us real stories or stories from her head about the lion and the rabbit, and would sit down and be enchanted by it, right? Because the stories seemed so real, and even though they were imagined, right? But then they seemed, grandmother was able to make them alive, right? So because storytelling is part of our lives, this is the reason why we learn how to write the narrative composition. So in this video, I just wanted you to find out what the narrative composition is all about. And in the next videos, I'll be telling you now how to make your stories come alive, just like grandmother did, just like how she made us sit and would see the lion and would see the rabbit and would be enchanted and everything will come alive, right? And sometimes grandma would also tell us real life stories about probably her life, right? And other people's lives. So that is simply the narrative composition. There's so many other types of compositions, but right now we're just focusing on what the narrative composition is all about. A composition that tells a story, whether real or imagined, all right? So do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like it, and also to visit our website, Sape Academy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. So in the previous videos, I introduced you the past tense that you're supposed to use when you're writing your narrative composition. So we are welcome. My name is